Leapion Laser is located in Jinan, the capital city of Shandong Province, China. We have been engaged in laser machine production since 2007. Now we have grown into a professional laser equipment supplier which integrating research, production, sales, and service. Our factory is located at High-Tech Zone with an area of more than 40,000 square meters and 100 workers. We will update the machine in per half year. Then we can guarantee the most modest technology for customers. There is a showroom for displaying machine and cutting samples. We display our most advanced machines here, such as ST, EX, PE model, etc. For fiber laser cutting machine, we have E, H, ST, EX serials and full and closed models for your choice, and we can provide customized model for your special request. Laser welding machine, laser marking machine, laser cleaning machine can be also provided for professional metal industry. Whether you are engaged in the advertising industry or metal processing industry, there is always a machine that can meet your needs. In addition, our company can provide OEM services, and we are looking forward to receiving inquiry from agents all over the world. We will offer better product with best service to all our customers.
Thank you for watching the video of our company. We can support 24-hour service for you. Welcome to Leapion.